Hello, my fellow Nigerians, my friends, fans, and family.
Okay.
You know, we are approaching the rainy season. We are already in it. We're already in the rainy season, which you'll be expecting that more people will have cough. As it is, what I've come to show you is 100% cure for cough. My wife, not be so.
Yes, sir.
So, it's just simple. This is miracle leaf. Please, if you don't have it at home, try and have it. It's very useful for so many things. It has so many benefits. We'll be making use of miracle leaf and honey. Miracle leaf and honey. So I want to teach you how to prepare it. This is an instant cure for cough. The idea my wife has is explain to them that you need to
Okay.
put it
This,
on fire also.
if you like, you can put it on fire and you now squeeze it. You will now use the water or it
Okay.
depends, sha.
So
Depends.
you either put it on fire to make it a bit soft,
Soft
a
and
bit
juicy.
succulent, and you squeeze out the juice. But my own pattern now is that we like as if we want to pound it. Everything here has already been washed. So now we have to pound in order to bring out the juice, squeeze out the juice. The juice is what we need for this cough remedy. This thing I'm telling you works 100%. Trust me. So it's just the juice we need. The juice is already coming out. This leaf has so much water in it. To get the water from it is very easy. So to prepare this simple cough remedy, you can make use of any amount of leaf you want.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3 pieces for
Any amount.
any amount. It's just as
If you
many
like,
as
you
you
can
want
also
it.
add salt with it. You can also do salt.
You can add salt to it. So I'm trying to extract the juice. I'm almost done. For cough, any kind of cough. Believe you me, my son did not allow us to sleep over the night. He was coughing. I prepared this for him this morning, but after taking it,
Cough disappear.
you know the meaning of peace.
Disappear. This is urgent remedy. Please like our video. Please
Subscribe to our
subscribe
YouTube
to our
channel
YouTube channel, Sonny Bobo.
at Sonny Bobo Funny Comedy. Facebook, Sonny Bobo. TikTok, Sonny Bobo. Or Sonny Rhymes. That's my second TikTok. Okay, so
Please
the juice is ready. You can see how much water I got from this. How much
make
juice.
sure you have spoon. You raise your spoon very well.
You can see how much water I got from this.
This is the honey. You can filter it out. Make sure you filter the juice out.
So
The honey.
it's time for us to mix the honey. With just this quantity, you are good to go. You don't need much honey. And you stir it very well, very well. It's very good for the eyes, man. with this,
Can cure cough.
cough is gone.
You are done with it, Abby. So you can taste it.
Okay, so we are testing it now. Let me see the result. So sweet. So sweet.
Ah! Calm down. Ah!
Cough must disappear.
No more cough. Say no to cough.
And that's all
Thank
for
you
today.
for watching.
Thanks for watching.
God bless you.
If I get any other tips, any other secrets, I will let you know. Surely. Thank you. God bless you. Subscribe.